So I'm James, I'm the Exec GM for Product Marketing at Genesis Energy. Here we're all about bringing new products to customers. My experience of Agile before, I've run Agile projects at utilities in Australia, and Agile to me is all about delivering incremental value to the customer on a frequent basis.
You know, customers may not necessarily know what they want until you actually get something in front of them and you see whether they're using it or not. Then we start identifying whether there's value in an idea or in a product.
It's very centred around the customer, so it's the concept of actually building out a product or a service and building it out in stages where you get constant customer feedback and customers actually help define what the product is.
Rather than getting a product at the end that you just say, oh, okay, that's not quite what I was looking for, you're developing it all the way through so that when you do get the final product in deployment, it's much more exactly what you were looking for.
We tend to focus on innovation by focusing on what are the problems for customers and then how do we solve those problems for customers.
What Agile enables us to do is to break that problem down into very small increments and hear back from our customers much sooner what it is they value, what they don't value.
Speed of development is getting faster because you're using only that 2-week time frame, and so you learn something and then you go, can we put that feedback into the next 2-week sprint, and then you keep on evolving from there.
So from the trading team's perspective, we've reduced the deal time down now from about 3 to 4 hours per transaction down to about 20 minutes. That's a massive saving for us.
It's worked really well. It brings technology teams and business teams together, working as a single unit.
One of the important things with Agile is working together, technology and business. So I'm located down here with the technology team so that we can work together a lot more closely on what we're building.
This enables us to manage the customer growth that we're seeing and also be able, as I said earlier, to deliver that customer product that we're looking for.
By getting the team to really focus on the customer experience, they've allowed them to really start to see places that they can innovate, and part of that has been about learning about our LPG business again from the beginning, not actually taking the assumptions that we have when we manage the business, but really putting ourselves in our customers' shoes.
And for energy, as an industry that's being disrupted, it's very important for us to start understanding what the future's going to look like and what customers are going to value.
So the energy industry is really at a unique time. You've got increasing customer expectations, rapidly changing technology, and a shifting regulatory environment. Agile is really important because it allows us to adapt to these changes. And Genesis Energy, I think, is really well poised to take that on.